What is up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we are actually going to be installing a steeda H-pipe. Ordered it from steeda. Currently have only stock exhaust. Gonna be taking it to a muffler shop. That way I could delete the resonators, make this car a little bit louder. I do like the way it sounds right now, but I feel like the H-pipe is gonna make it sound way better. Just a little bit more louder. I do want to get headers after that. But yeah, man. Right now I'm currently on my way, not to get the steeda H-pipe done, but I'm on my way to take some photos for the Instagram, go shoot some content, do some drone shots. I have the drone in the back of my car. So far this car's been treating me good, man. There is a few little things here and there. My front lip popped out. We should be good. Get a quote on that at the dealership, see how much they charge me to fix it. So this H-pipe is actually the first mod that I'm going to do that's not for cosmetics. Right now, currently I have my mirrors wrapped. They're not the best. I actually do, because I wrapped them, instead of getting them wrapped, I want to go to a junkyard and find some painted ones from another Mustang and just attach those. Have the red mirrors. So yeah, it is going to be the first mod. Honestly, I'm pretty excited for that. Before going to the muffler shop, I'm going to be shooting the before and after. That way y'all can hear it. If you're interested in doing an H-pipe as well and you have a Mach1, or even if you don't, I mean, still I'm going to get it done. So I'm going to go park somewhere. That way I could show y'all the before. Then in a few days, once I get the exhaust done, then I'll show you guys the after. Then I'll post them side by side as well. That way y'all can see it. So from the inside with track exhaust, because I have active exhaust, this is currently how it sounds. I'm going to do a small little pull. Nothing crazy. From the outside it sounds a lot better, but we are in the inside, so we do have to make this thing way louder. Did want to show you guys the H-pipe. So this is a stainless H-pipe. You have the steeda logo right there. On this side is for the clamps, and then this side it does have to get welded on. I did get it on cell. They had a cell going on, so. And then for the clamps, these are the clamps. Nothing crazy. These were an extra cost. I think it was about $50, $70. I got two of them. The two clamps that I just showed you guys, turns out I have two more. So I need to see what's going on with this. But just spoke to the muffler shop. I'm going to be getting this thing installed today. See the H-pipe on the Mustang. In a few hours, I'm going to go get that thing installed. I'm going to show you guys a cold start of the before. I do have some clips already of the stock exhaust on normal mode and track mode. The only thing, it is vertical like the TikTok. So it's going to be a little bit smaller, but oh well, that's okay. Yeah, guys. So let me go pack all these things. That way I could be ready to go. Oh, I forgot to do the cold start. I just remembered. Right now it's currently 10:08 p.m. so the guy said around 3 to 4 to go get the H-pipe installed, so I have some time to kill. It is my off day as well, so when I'm back I should be on the way to the muffler shop. That way I can go ahead and get this thing installed already. It has been sitting for a while. I did post on my Instagram that I had it, it arrived, I was gonna get it installed soon, and I never did. I just been busy. My car was at the dealership and they were adjusting some things. Alright, this is not a cold start, but this is just a start, just to see the difference when I do at the H-pipe and to how it is stuck. Alright, so we're currently on our way to the muffler shop to get this thing installed. I didn't actually record a video for this, but I did get red seat covers for my car. That way it can match everything else. Overall, it looks really good. No issues with it so far. They are from Custom Interiors, so let me get these maps going. That way I can go to the location and then get this H-pipe done. Did end up making it to the shop already. The guy's on his way, but got the Mach1 up there already. Yeah, so they are working on it already. The car already has 2 clamps on it. We got the install done. Overall, it does sound a lot better. Paid about $120 for the whole thing. It's not bad. They welded it, put some clamps on there, nothing too crazy. So now if I do really want to, I could make it louder and add some headers, but I think this will do for now until who knows when. I am gonna post some exhaust clips after this, that way y'all can hear how it sounds as well, compare it to the stock exhaust. And honestly, I really like the way it came out. I think it sounds really good. Do a little pull for you guys right now, nothing too crazy. All right, let me go put some gas because I don't have any gas, as you can see. All right, we made it to the location. That way I can show you guys the exhaust. It does sound a lot better. Now driving, it does sound more open. Obviously, there's no box or resonator blocking it, so I'm just gonna park somewhere over here. I came here last time, actually, exactly where I'm at. Now they have some houses here, so I'm gonna go all the way to the back. Oh, it's actually over here. I feel like this is a good spot for me to take video. No one's bothering, and I can show y'all guys the exhaust without being disturbed or called. So let me park this car real quick. Yeah, man, so the exhaust came out really good. At idle, sounds a little bit louder, you can't really tell. But I also do need a freaking car wash, bro. Let me get this tripod real quick. Where the fuck? There's the old resonator over there. So, yeah, let me set up real quick. Alright, we got this shit recording. I'm gonna put it on normal mode, and then I'm gonna put it on track mode as well. That way y'all can hear the difference, and hopefully y'all can tell. Me personally, I do see a big difference in this. Well, not really big, but nothing like headers, right? But I do see a big difference. Like I said, it sounds more flowing. It sounds a lot better for me. And as a daily driver, not too obnoxious. Maybe I will add headers, I'm not sure yet. But damn, this thing is freaking dusty, bro. Holy shit, I need to wash this thing. But yeah, man, if you haven't tuned in, a lot of my followers from Instagram are the ones that are going to be watching this video. Let's see a quick rundown on my car. Got in the RTR vents. I've got in the front Mach1 handling package splitter. I also did wrap my mirrors. I did wrap my roof in matte black. Honestly, I need to redo it again. I fucked up. I did it myself, but it's cool. I actually haven't done the fin either. I'm learning how to wrap, so yeah, I know it's a shitty job. Whatever, it's cool, I don't care. The red emblems, I did those. I just did the H-pipe. And then, I don't know if I said the spoiler. And most recently, I did my seats red to match the whole vibe of the car. Let me actually lower the window. That way it shows. There you go. Red, red, and then red right here. So yeah, man, that's basically it for the video. If you to follow, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think about the video and what other type of content I should do. I do want to review other cars and just honestly record more. So this is the build as of late, and yeah, man, I'll catch y'all on the next one.